Alright, so this is Malachi, and you'll see that he has a Nerf gun. It's a little string tied onto it. And then you come back here, and you'll see that the string is tied to the tooth in his mouth. It's loose.
This is the worst idea of my life.
You're going to have to pull it back as far as you can this way when you shoot it. Okay, so it's ready when you are. Keep your mouth open. Or else it won't work. 3, 2, 1, go.
I can't.
You want me to shoot it?
No.
I'll shoot it.
Okay.
Look, Grandpa's waiting for you right now. He wants to see this video. And...
I really don't want to. I don't need to.
Alright.
I'll just let it fall out.
Come on, man. After I spent all this time tying your tooth up,
It
we're
was
doing
2 seconds.
Do it.
Do it.
What's the worst that can happen?
My tooth gets yanked out with my gum.
No. It's pretty loose, bud.
Yeah, it really is.
Come on.
It's ready to come out.
Pull it back. Go.
Come on, man.
Go. Be a warrior. You're going to have to pull it back to get the slack out of there.
This is terrifying.
Here. Let me see it real quick.
Just so you know, Grandpa, worst idea of my life. I'm not going to do this. Ouch.
So, pull it back this way like this. Here, let me see it. Let me see it real quick. See it.
Oh, no.
Let's pull it back this way.
Don't shoot it. Don't shoot it. Don't
Like
shoot
that.
it.
We're just going to like this.
Oh, did it come?
Yep. I think it literally
Look at that.
sliced through the gum on the bottom.
Let's see. Let's see.
It
Let's see
slid
it.
through the gum on the bottom.
There's the tooth.
That's awesome.
There's the bullet.
Okay, I'll remember to do that. That was